Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make pin should be enabled on your TikTok account. That is how to pin your comments. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to click on these three dots up here, after which you scroll down and click on what reports a problem, after which you simply scroll down and click on what follow like pin. Once you get there, you simply scroll down and click on what comment. After that, you click on what more. After which you simply click on what is your problem resolved. You set no. After that, you click on what need more help. So once you're here, you simply need to type in this. So I'm going to leave it on the description box. Once you are done typing this, so after that you simply click on what report. Once this is submit, it is not going to take more than an hour or 30 minutes for them to enable the pin option on your TikTok account. So you need to wait. That is the time that they are giving you. So you need to wait for them to contact you back. After that, they are going to enable the feature on your TikTok account, that is on your TikTok videos. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.